Travel like a local. Insider tips for Hanoi. Hanoi, Vietnam's bustling capital, is a city that blends ancient traditions with modern vibrancy. While it's famous for its old quarter, Hon Kiem Lake, and mouth-watering street food, exploring Hanoi like a local can uncover its hidden gems and provide a richer, more authentic experience. Here are insider tips to help you navigate Hanoi and enjoy it beyond the tourist trail. Start your day with Vietnamese coffee. Hanoi is a coffee lover's paradise. Skip the big chains and head to a local cafe for a taste of traditional Vietnamese coffee. Try Coffee Trung, egg coffee, at Café Giang, a family-run spot that has been serving this creamy concoction since the 1940s. For a more minimalist vibe, visit Con Cafe for a nostalgic blend of retro decor and strong, sweet coffee. Pair it with a view of the bustling streets or a quiet lakeside corner to kickstart your day. Explore hidden alleyways in the Old Quarter. While the Old Quarter is well known, its charm lies in its labyrinthine alleyways that many visitors overlook. Wander through streets like Hang Bak or Hang Gai, where artisans craft silver jewelry and silk products. You might stumble upon street vendors selling banh goon, steamed rice rolls, or fragrant banh mi. Venture further into less crowded lanes to find shops that cater to locals, offering everything from textiles to traditional medicines. Eat where the locals eat. Hanoi's food scene is legendary, but to truly eat like a local, you need to know where to go. Skip the flashy restaurants and look for small, family-run eateries or street vendors with long queues. Pho. Start with a steaming bowl of pho at Pho Za Truyen Bat Dan, a no-frills establishment famous for its rich, flavorful broth. Bun Cha. Visit Dak Kim on Hang Man for this classic grilled pork and noodle dish, served with fresh herbs and tangy dipping sauce. Street barbecue. In the evening, head to Ta Hien Street, where locals and expats gather for bia hoi, fresh beer, and grilled meat skewers. Pro tip. Most locals sit on the tiny plastic stools at street-side stalls. It's part of the authentic Hanoi experience. Hop on a Zone or motorbike. While taxis and ride-hailing apps like Grab are convenient, there's no better way to see Hanoi than on the back of a motorbike. Hire a Zone, motorbike taxi, or rent your own bike if you're confident in navigating the chaotic traffic. This will give you access to areas like the Truc Bok neighborhood or the serene West Lake, where locals unwind. Visit local markets. Markets in Hanoi are more than just places to shop. They're social hubs where the city comes alive. Check out Cho Dong Zon, Hanoi's largest indoor market, for everything from fresh produce to household items. For a more intimate experience, visit Cho Hang Bi, a traditional wet market where you can observe locals haggling over fresh fish and exotic fruits. Discover Hanoi's green spaces. While Hanoi is known for its energetic pace, locals find solace in its green spaces. Take a stroll around Hon Kiem Lake, but for a more tranquil setting, head to Thong Nhot Park or the Botanical Garden, Bon Bok Thao. These spots are popular with locals for morning Tai Chi, jogging, or simply relaxing under the shade of towering trees. Dive into Hanoi's art and culture. To appreciate Hanoi's artistic soul, visit local galleries and cultural centers. The Vietnamese Women's Museum offers an insightful look into the roles of women in Vietnam's history and culture. For contemporary art, explore Manzi Art Space, a cozy venue that showcases works by emerging Vietnamese artists. Attend a water puppet show. Water puppetry is a unique Vietnamese art form, and Hanoi is the best place to experience it. While the Thang Long Water Puppet Theater is famous, smaller, community-based performances offer a more intimate setting. Check with locals for recommendations on neighborhood shows. Shop sustainably. Support Hanoi's local artisans and sustainable initiatives by shopping at fair trade stores. Craft Link and Ethnic Minorities Development Fund offer beautifully crafted items made by ethnic minority communities. Buying here ensures your money goes directly to the artisans, helping preserve traditional craftsmanship. Connect with locals. Hanoians are friendly and curious, often eager to share their stories. Strike up a conversation at a cafe or join a local cooking class to learn how to make dishes like nem ran. For language enthusiasts, many locals enjoy practicing English with visitors, which can lead to meaningful connections. Escape to the outskirts. For a day trip, head to Bat Trang Pottery Village, known for its handmade ceramics. It's about immersing yourself in the city's rhythm. By exploring its hidden corners, tasting its authentic flavors, and connecting with its people, you'll create memories far richer than any guidebook can promise.